Всем привет, меня зовут Софья, и я с большой радостью вас приветствую на своем канале Аукара. Добро пожаловать! Здесь мы будем с вами говорить о вышивке и любом другом рукоделии. Пиу-пиу!
Hello my friends, my name is Sofia and I welcome you at my YouTube channel Aukara. I'm telling here about my crafts, mainly about cross-stitching, but it can include any my hobby. So please don't hesitate and ask me several questions in the comment section below, because I'm gonna make a video answering questions of my viewers, and normally it's interesting for people, so please let me know if you would like to know some more information about me. Especially that might be interesting as I started speaking English recently. It happened so that I was traveling a lot during last 2 months. I've been in Turkey and I've been in Poland and I've been all around the Tallinn city, and I was highly busy in my work. So my video will be including several cross-stitching items, my cross-stitching history per 2 months, and my work items. I will tell you a little about my work. Alright, at first I would like to tell you that I have a finish. I managed. It was unexpected, but it's really nice dimensionless kit, and I'm really happy that I managed to finish it. I did it in several days, I think about 8 or 12, somewhere in the middle. So I will enclose you several photos that you could have a look. I didn't frame this design, so I just put it on my table like that, and it makes me more inspired and willing to cross-stitch as much as I can. This project appeared only because I was the first tester of this super Mantis table stand. It's a new thing from Omanik Factory. I have a project here, but it's a secret one, so I covered it a bit. And I use this table stand all the time. I love it. It's so good. And I will include you several short things from my video that I made for my job at Omanik Factory. It's a cross-stitching company that supplies the best frames and stands I ever used. And as I found them and I decided, well, they're perfect and everybody should know about that. I gave them several ideas and they said, okay, you're hired, and we moved here. Well, about Mantis, I'm gonna include several parts of the videos that I did, and I'm really proud of them because I organized photo set for this stand, and I had some interviews with creators, and I had a lot of work connected with video recording, video editing, translating interviews into English. So it was a huge job that was done, and I'm really proud. And if you will be interested, you can follow links and go to the Omanik Factory videos, and I will give you links, and there is more information about Mantis, by the way, and about my work. So if you're interested, you will see that. Alright,
Спроси какое-то здоровое оживление. И это действительно мобильный стол. Мы просто очень устали. Меня зовут Софья, у нас огромное количество заказов на фабрике, мы работаем не покладая рук, и даже вся наша дирекция вышла сегодня прям в рабочем виде. Антон сегодня будет пилить для вас рамы, я буду паковать, поэтому мы с вами в таком очень непрезентабельном виде проведем мини-презентацию нашего нового мантиса. Мантис — это в переводе что значит?
Богомол.
Прекрасно. В моем опыте общения с другими вышивальщицами я знаю, что многим людям неудобно ставить напольные станки на пол. Поэтому фабрика выпустила для вас вот такой замечательный мантис, который можно установить на любую поверхность. Да?
Да, можно закрепить на очень толстую столешницу, которая сделана, допустим, из какого-то массива. То есть многим людям нравится там стол или какая-то тумбочка или какая-то поверхность, которая достаточно толстая и сделана. Да. Ну, естественно, сюда мы устанавливаем струбцинки по аналогии с монстриком. И в эти струбцины вставляется рама, которую, естественно, можно будет вращать. Нужно очень точно понимать четко, что эта конструкция, она хоть и выполнена из металла, здесь высококачественная аргонная сварка, конструкция с ее узлами не предусматривает использование.
Здравствуйте, Алексей Васильевич.
И вам не хворать.
Спасибо большое, что нашли время с нами встретиться. Мы сегодня отвлекли от работы Алексея Васильевича, создателя новых станочков для нас. Так что, дорогие вышивальщицы, очень сложно было назначить это рандеву, но я справилась. И сегодня Алексей Васильевич почти добровольно согласился нам немножко рассказать про станочки. Расскажите, пожалуйста, как вы решили, почему такие станки нужны вообще?
Ну, скажем так, очень многие вышивальцы
I have several Mill Hill projects. The small one I finished, but I'm not going to include them today in this video because it will take me, well, huge time. I'm not sure which one were finished in July and August and which one were finished in June maybe. So let's don't waste time. I will have all round up year finishing video and I will show them all there. Plus I would like to make them already. And also during these 2 months I was really into my main process, Papillon Creation Garden. To be honest, I'm a bit tired of it, and because I was a little bit and because I spent some time on this Dimensions kit. Well, it took 10 days, you know. I don't have a lot of time to stitch now, so well, it counts, it matters. And even though I was distracted by that Dimensions kit, I had several days and even I had quite a lot of time that was given to my main project, Papillon Creation Castle Garden, and it moved. I will include you several photos and you will see them in the video. Alright, so enjoy my video. It will consist of several parts that I was recording during all this time for you. Hello my friends, my name is Sofia. It's 6th of August now and I'm making you a small video about my castle garden design. I'd better check here, it looks like I forgot to stitch something here. I'll check it on my chart. Alright, here you can see 38% of a completed work. And as you can see, I'm going well. So now I'm going to move a bit my fabric up, because this work, of course, it inspires me and I like it, but well, to be honest, I can't wait to finish it. It's, well, I love it, it's beloved one, but it's not my favorite one, and I won't be missing time when I'll finish it. So I have 38% now, but I know that when I will do this inside the garden, it will add about, well, I think 20% at least, and I'm pretty sure it will go quite fast.
And then I have all the same border down, these gates. So it looks like I know all the stitches here, and I hope to finish it this year. Hello my friends, today I'm visiting Warsaw, and this city has a lot of history and modern architecture, so if you like things like that you will enjoy it. It's plus 36 today and I feel a bit better in this place, but I'm leaving of course. Alright. Poland is full of wide art. Well, some projects of course are well organized with government like this one, but you can see a lot of fancy buildings like these ones, and then you'll see well, total disaster. Well, buildings are really destroyed and no one is taking care of them in a proper way. So here you can find well quite big differences at one spot, you can see.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was interesting for you.